Welcome back. After covering factorization and square roots, it's time for the big one, the formula method. This is a game changer for solving quadratic equations. Hit the subscribe button to keep learning with us and let us get started. A masterclass in mathematical logic. Demystifying the quadratic formula, unlocking the fundamental equation of algebra. We have roadmaps of solving the quadratic equations, and in previous three videos we have seen it in detail. So I have just given it you for your ready reference. You can pause this video and read it for your understanding. The obstacle, a variable divided. X square plus bx plus is equal to 0. The variable exists in two different dimensions, a square and a line. We cannot isolate x using basic division or subtraction. So our goal, condense x into a single isolate term. Now we will see step by step how to get the formula for solving any quadratic equation. First, we have to clear the path. That means divide the entire equation by a to isolate the x square coefficient. So x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When we divide by a, it becomes x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0, we have assumed here. Now step 2, we have to evict the constant. Move the constant term to the right side of the equal sign. We have x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. So moving this c upon a to right side, we get x square plus b upon a into x is equal to minus c upon a. Now we will inject a new term. Add the missing term b upon 2a bracket square to both sides to maintain the balance of equation. We have x square plus b upon a into x is equal to minus c upon a. Adding, we get x square plus b upon a into x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 2a bracket square. Remember the golden rule of algebra. What we have add to the left to build the square, we must add to the right to preserve equality. Now we will condense left hand side to the square. Transform the expanded left side into perfect binomial square. So x square plus b upon a into x plus b upon 2a bracket square gives x plus b upon 2a bracket square. So our equation now becomes left hand side in bracket x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to minus c upon a plus in bracket b upon 2a bracket square. By design, the messy left side folds neatly into a single squared form. The variable x is now trapped in only one place. Now resolve the right side. Find a common denominator to merge the fractions. We have left hand side as in bracket x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Simplifying right hand side, we get b square upon 4a square minus 4ac upon 4a square. As now denominators are equal, their numerators can be easily added. So we get x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now unlock the square. Take the square root of both sides to free the x term. we have equation x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root of both sides, we get x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. The plus and minus symbol acknowledges the both a positive and negative number when squared yield the same positive result. Now we will isolate x. Move the plus b upon 2a across the equal sign to isolate x. We get x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now combine the common denominators. We get x is equal to minus b plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Please note that success is not about avoiding the discriminant. It's about knowing how to use it to reveal the nature of solutions. And that's how you master the formula method. With practice, this will become your go-to tool for tackling any quadratic equation. Please like this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video on quadratic world problems. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.